Have you ever sent a Zelle payment and instantly regretted it? Maybe you accidentally typed in the wrong number, sent money to the wrong friend for that group vacation, or in the worst-case scenario, fell victim to a scam. In today's fast-paced digital world, where money transfers happen with lightning speed, it's easy to understand why you might be wondering, can you cancel a Zelle payment after you've sent it? The answer? It depends. Unlike some other payment methods, Zelle prides itself on being a super-fast way to send money directly between bank accounts. But that speed comes at a cost, a lack of flexibility once the transfer is initiated. Let's dive deeper into the world of Zelle payments, understand the situations where you might want to cancel a payment, and explore your options in each scenario. Understanding Zelle, how it works. Imagine Zelle as a digital version of handing cash to a friend. Once you hit send, the money goes straight from your bank account to the recipient's account, with no middleman and no way to reverse the transaction unless the recipient agrees. Here's a quick breakdown of the Zelle process. Initiating the transfer, you'll typically access Zelle through your banking app or online banking platform. You'll then provide the recipient's phone number or email address linked to their Zelle account. Confirmation and sending. After entering the amount and reviewing the details, you'll confirm the transaction. Once confirmed, the money zooms off to the recipient's account. So, can you stop a Zelle payment? Alright, back to the big question. The short answer is that canceling a Zelle payment after you've sent it isn't as straightforward as clicking a button. Here's why. Designed for speed, remember, Zelle is built for swift transfers. Once the recipient receives notification and accepts the payment, the transaction is complete. There's no built-in mechanism to reverse it on your end. Relying on the recipient, the power, unfortunately, lies with the recipient. If you haven't received your money yet and the recipient hasn't claimed it, there might be a chance to reach out to your bank and explain the situation. They might be able to intercept the transfer, but it depends entirely on your bank's policies and how quickly you act. What to do if you sent money in error? Here are some steps you can take if you realize you've sent a Zelle payment to the wrong person or for the wrong amount. Contact the recipient ASAP. Time is of the essence. Get in touch with the recipient immediately and explain the situation. Hopefully, they'll understand and be willing to send the money back. Be polite, apologetic, and clear about your request. Call your bank. If the recipient isn't responsive or unwilling to return the funds, contact your bank right away. Explain the situation and see if there's anything they can do to stop the transfer or recover the funds. Keep in mind that success here depends on various factors, including bank policies and how long it's been since the transfer. Report fraudulent activity. If you suspect you've been scammed, report it to your bank immediately. They can help you freeze your account and take steps to recover your funds. Additionally, you should report the incident to Zelle https://www.zellepay.com/safety-education/fraud-scams-overview and consider filing a police report. Remember, prevention is key. While canceling a Zelle payment can be tricky, there are ways to minimize the risk of errors. Double-check everything. Before hitting send, take a deep breath and meticulously review the recipient's phone number or email address and the amount you're sending. A typo here can lead to a big headache later. Confirm with the recipient. Double-check the details with the intended recipient before sending the money. A quick text or call can save you a lot of trouble. Only send to people you know and trust. Zelle is meant for trusted individuals. Avoid sending money to people you haven't met in person or for transactions that seem too good to be true. Zelle, a useful tool, but use it wisely. Zelle is a convenient way to send and receive money quickly. However, it's crucial to understand its limitations, especially the lack of a built-in cancellation option. By being cautious, verifying details, and only sending money to trusted individuals, you can minimize the risk of needing to cancel a payment. But remember, if a mistake does happen, act quickly and reach out to your bank and the recipient. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.